let's make some lemon chicken. I'm going to use some all-purpose flour, some vermouth, heavy cream, chicken, garlic, lemon, butter, parmesan, salt, pepper. Let's get started. My chicken breasts are two different sizes, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this one in half. Then I'm going to cut it again like this. And this one I will just cut in half. That way they're all about the same size. Then I want to salt them. And pepper them. Next, I have my skillet with 2 garlic. One was huge, just like that chicken breast. One was huge, one was small. And half a stick of butter. 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to turn the heat on and just let this melt gently. The pan's starting to get hot and the garlic is starting to cook. I can smell it. And the pan will get hotter. So it's just still heating up. I'm going to add the chicken. And I just want to gently cook this. Been about 3 minutes. It's getting a little bit golden. We'll go ahead and turn it over. I don't want it to get dark or anything. Okay. And there's our garlic still right there. Well, it's been 4 minutes, maybe 4 and a half. I'm going to take the garlic out, throw it into this casserole, and check the chicken. It's looking good. I think it looks fine. I'm going to put it into this casserole dish. We're going to bake it for a little bit. Then, well, there's not much butter in there. I guess it soaked it all up. I'm going to add vermouth, 4 teaspoons. Lemon juice, 4 teaspoons. 2 cups of heavy cream. I probably don't really have to use that much, but oh well. About half a teaspoon of lemon zest. I just take my potato peeler and peel some lemon off and then cut it up with a knife. And we're going to cook this up just a little bit till I think it's thickened some. Well, the cream sauce has thickened almost like a gravy, but not real thick. And it needs some salt, just like a gravy would need. So add a little bit of salt. You should really give it a taste. You don't want it to be salty, but you don't want it to be bland either. It's on the, I'm on the fence, so I'm going to add a little bit more. Taste the lemon in there. Very nice. So I'm going to take this off the heat and put this here so you can see. Here's our chicken. I'm going to pour the sauce all over. Get all the sauce out. This is going to go into the oven for 30 minutes. My oven is preheated. And it's going to go in there for 30 minutes at 350. Take some Parmesan and top it with some Parmesan as much as you want. That's probably about a half a cup, maybe a little more, and into the oven for 30 minutes to bake. Here it is out of the oven. It baked for 30 minutes. We can hit it with a little bit of parsley. And let this cool down just a bit and we'll serve it up. It smells wonderful, of course. Put some sauce on the potatoes. Around the plate, being a little sloppy here, but that's all right. Doesn't that look good? I need to take a smaller bite. Oh well. A little more sauce. It's wonderful. It's lemony. Tastes like Parmesan. I hope you try this. Thank you so much for watching.